Another place on the Cayenne model range starting grid has now been taken, with intense performance and precise dynamics. The Cayenne Turbo GT has all the attributes to be ahead of the game from the start. Welcome to my channel Connect to Auto. Before starting the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more latest updates on latest automobiles.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.
The Cayenne Turbo GT also receives 22-inch wheels, which are 10.5-inch wide at the front and 11.5-inch wide at the rear and finished in double-door black. Power for the Turbo GT comes from a reworked version of Porsche's 4.0-liter, twin-turbocharged, V8 petrol engine. It gains an added 90 horsepower and 80 Nm over the standard Cayenne Turbo, developing 640 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. Enjoy the video.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.